welcome to Cars Live. This is Shiraz, your host. Today I have a very beautiful, one of my favorite cars, the Honda Civic 1.8 liter SMT engine. Okay, and the iVTEC engine is fantastic. In fact, the car looks brand new. No, this is not brand new. This is a 2007 model indeed. It looks brand new because it's just been out of polish right now from CMK. Okay, then ribbon, everything is ready. It's ready for delivery. In fact, you don't have to spend a single rupee on this beautiful car. Okay, just add fuel on it and keep driving it. So let me explain during the entire video the details of the car, the body line, the interior, the fingerprinting, mechanical condition will all be explained during the video. So let's see what the Honda Civic has in store for you. 2007 model, the right side of the body line is very neat and clean. The car has gone through one round of touch-up and paint on the bumpers, on the fenders, and on the right side too. It's not accident, but due to scratches and dents. To avoid that, it has been done with touch-up polish and over here. Overall, the right side is all very beautiful. It's scratchless and it's spotless. Okay, this is one of the favorite and the best cars. In fact, luxury Indian cars manufactured by Honda. In fact, as you can see, the right side door is also genuine with company sealing. It has no accidents whatsoever. It's all genuine over here. The right side back door is also genuine. The company sealing over here. Slight work done here and there, but it's all genuine though. Okay. Let me show you the back side as well. The backside bumper is all been touch-up paint has been done once over here to avoid these scratches and dents. Okay, the boot is quite large and spacious as compared to a Civic 2.1. Even the iVTEC doesn't have this kind of large boot space. Okay, the tires are brand new. In fact, all the other 4 tires are good new. The stepney is brand new and unused. Okay, there are no accidents inside the dicky and all. Here you can see all is genuine on these sides over here. Slight dent and tinker work done on the left side polish side over here as well. Okay, but overall it's all in genuine condition. I repeat, this is a Honda Civic 1.8 liter SMT iVTEC engine. Slight dents, scratches on this side noticed over here. Okay, the left side of the body line is very neat and clean too, as equal to the same as the right side as well. There are no scratches on dents on the left side of the entire body line over here. All the doors is all genuine with the company sealing. The left side front door as well, it's genuine with the company sealing around over here. So let's see what the car has on the inside hood. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, the Honda Civic comes with an iVTEC engine. It's a 1.8 liter. This gives you in a city a mileage of about 10 to 11 in city and should give about 13.5 on highways. But who cares about mileage for this luxury beauty when you're having a beast of 1.8 liter engine? Okay, the Civic is one of the best in class. In fact, it has won many awards for the interior and dashboard designing. In fact, that's the best one, which feels like a jet engine. So let me take you through the interiors as well. But let me finish this. The bonnet is all genuine with the company sealing, and you can see the apron and all genuine with the company sealing. The battery is new, with it still has 2 years warranty left. There are no engine oil leakages, nothing at all. The engine is in seal condition with oil service, everything done in fact. Okay, so let's see what the car has inside. So like I said, the Honda Civic is one of the best and one of my favorites since my college days. In fact, this is one of my dream cars. Okay, the dashboard that it gives you, it feels like you're as if in a jet. Okay, that's the kind of interiors this one has. The kind of the steering controls that this one has, and the hand braking. The SMT version comes with dual SRS airbags, ABS, alloy wheels. Okay, it comes with power steering, all 4 doors, power windows, AC, central locking with remote control, theft alarm and all, and with sensors as well. Okay, I hope I'm not missing anything. And yeah, it also comes with automatic climate control as well. Okay, and automatic outside mirror adjustments too. So that's about the Honda the Honda Civic 1.8 liter iVTEC engine. It's a SMT version, or it's a mid variant, not the VMT, the top end one. The top end comes with the leather interior finishing. This comes with the cotton dual tone velvet interiors. Okay, the interior is also clean. These are not dirty, but these are just the black in coloring at all. Quite spacious in interiors, quite beautiful. It's a single owner car, driven about, say, let me just check and tell you. This is driven about 90,000 kilometers so far, okay, on record. And it says company maintains, company service. It has comprehensive insurance as well, valid for about few more months over here. I'll tell you the exact month on my post. And my the price for this beauty is just about 3,45,000. It's slightly negotiable for the right buyer, because the car is in fantastic condition. There are no accidents whatsoever on the car. Car is just beautiful. It comes with all the records, manual work, service records, everything all intact on the car. Okay, so basically you don't have to spend anything on this car. Just fill petrol, keep driving it. The mechanical is all superb. I have driven the car. The suspension, the braking, the gearbox, the clutch, everything is fantastic in the car. So I repeat, it's a 2007 Civic 1.8 liter iVTEC SMT engine. My price around just 3,45,000. My numbers mentioned on the post. Please take your phones and do give me a call, and this beauty, the beast, will all be yours. Thank you for watching Cars Life.